Craving a zesty, refreshing salad? Look no further. We're dishing out a quick and easy ginger salad with red cabbage, a riot of colors, flavors, and health benefits. Start off with fresh, crunchy red cabbage. Thinly slice it, and you've got the base of our salad. Now, for our star ingredient, ginger. Peel and grate it to unlock its fiery, aromatic magic. Combine the cabbage and ginger with a handful of your favorite greens: spinach, romaine, or arugula. It's your pick. Next, whip up a simple dressing: olive oil, lemon juice, a dash of honey, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Give it a good shake and drizzle it over your salad. And there you have it, a ginger and red cabbage salad, vibrant, crisp, and packed full of flavor. Perfect for a light lunch or a side dish. Remember, good food isn't just about taste, it's about nourishing your body. So go on, add some crunch to your day with this ginger-infused delight.